The 2009 Subaru Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, cruise control, anti-theft security system, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, CD player, power door locks, interval wipers, daytime running lights, airbags, dual zone climate control, folding rear seats, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.